Next is question number 16. The Asanna Industries manufactures small capacity motors. The cost breakup of a motor is as under: material is 50, labor is 80 rupees, variable overheads are 75% of labor cost, fixed overheads of the company amount to rupees 2,40,000 per annum. The sales price of the motor is rupees 230 each. Determine the number of motors that have to be manufactured and sold in a year in order to break even. Right. How many motors to be made and sold to make profit of rupees 1 lakh? And third, if the sales price is reduced by rupees 15, what will be the break even point in units? Right. Fine. For this, we have to do is, first of all, we will get the contribution. Sales price per motor is 230 given in question. We have to deduct the marginal cost, which is the cost of material, labor and variable cost. Right. We have to deduct this value from sales price, and deducting the values 50, 80 and rupees 60, which is total of 190 from 230, we will get the answer as 40 rupees as contribution. राइट. सेलिंग प्राइस जो 230 है उसमें से मार्जिनल कॉस्ट यानी कि जो मटेरियल कॉस्ट, लेबर और वेरिएबल कॉस्ट आपको क्वेश्चन के अंदर कहा गया है वो माइनस करना है, एंड यू विल गेट द आंसर एज contribution rupees 40 per unit contribution. Now for BEP, what we have to do is use the formula fixed cost per year divided by contribution. Fixed cost is given itself in the question. 2,40,000 divided by contribution per unit is rupees 40, and hence we will get the answer as rupees 6,000. Secondly, required sales is to be found out. Right. Required sales for the profit of 1 lakh. कि अगर 1 lakh प्रॉफिट चाहिए तो आपको सेल्स कितना रखना पड़ेगा, एंड फॉर दैट वी हैव द फॉर्मूला इज फिक्स्ड कॉस्ट प्लस डिजायर्ड प्रॉफिट divided by contribution per unit. Right. Fixed cost is 2,40,000, we know already. Desired profit in the condition 2 is 1 lakh, and contribution per unit is rupees 40. Right. Here got this. Here we have got this answer as rupees 40. So 2,40,000 plus 1 lakh divided by 40 will give out 8,500 motors. Right. 8,500 motors are to be made and sold to gain the profit of rupees 1 lakh. Then third condition was there, that what will be the contribution if the sales price will be reduced by rupees 15. So here we have to reduce the cost by selling price by 15, which is 230 minus 15, 215 will be there. Sales price is 215 minus marginal cost, same as the previous term, which is 190, and contribution will be 25. Next question is question number 17. Abbey Battery Company furnishes you the following information for the year 2010. For first half and second half, sales and profits are given. Sales 16,20,000, and for second half it is 20,52,000. Profits are 43,200 for first half and 1,29,600 for second half. Right. From this information, we have to find PV ratio, fixed cost, yearly BEP sales, profit or loss when the sales are 12,96,000 for first half, and amount of sales required to earn the profit of 2,16,000 per half. Margin of safety in rupees and percentage. Right. First of all, we will find out the PV ratio. PV ratio will be increase in profits divided by increase in sales into 100. Increase in profits is, according to the question, 86,400 rupees divided by 432,000 into 100. We'll get as answer 20%. Fixed cost value is sales into PV ratio minus profit. Sales is total sales in the question. It is given right for first half and second half. It is 16,20,000 plus 20 52,000, and as we have to consider the profits scenario here, or any one scenario can be considered here, right? There are two ways to calculate this fixed cost actually. Either you can consider any one of the halves. We have considered first half in our solution. What you can do is directly use the first half and put on the formula, or you can consider the first and second half both, and whatever the answer comes or answer is derived, you can divide it by 2, right? Both the ways are correct. Here I have taken the single term or first half only, 16,20,000 into PV ratio. We have considered here as 20%. It is given already, minus profit for the first half only. Here, as we have considered the sales of first half 16,20,000 only, the profits are also be calculated for the first half only, which is 43,200. Right. And calculating it, we will get the answer is 280,800. Right, 28,800. The BEP sales has to be found out now. BEP sales is equals to sales minus margin of safety. For period 1 and for period 2, margin of safety will be 43,200, that is profit, divided by PV ratio, which will be 2,16,000, and for period 2, margin of safety will be profit divided by PV ratio, which will give out answer as 6,48,000. Through that, BEP sales, which is sales minus margin of safety, sales for period 1, sales for period 2, margin of safety derived here, margin of safety for period 2 derived here. Right, deducting the values, we will get the answers as 140,400, 140,400. Remember, BEP sales is always same for first and second half, unless and until different conditions for profit and different conditions for margin of safety are given here. Right. Next, the amount of profit or loss when the sales are rupees 12,96,000 per half. So we will assume sales as 12,96,000 minus right? Here we will put out the known values first, which is sales. We know that in the question itself it is given that 12,96,000 is sales. Contribution is always sales into PV ratio. Is sales into 20%. PV ratio is 20%, right? So when we will multiply 0.20 with 1296000, we will get the contributions answer, right, which is 259200. Also we know the fixed cost, right? Fixed cost was here, it is given 280800. फिक्स्ड कॉस्ट की वैल्यू भी पता है हमें, राइट? सेल्स की वैल्यू यहाँ पे क्वेश्चन में दी है 12,96,000 रखना है. वेरिएबल कॉस्ट जो है हमें पता नहीं है, राइट? कंट्रीब्यूशन, या वी नो दैट हाउ टू फाइंड कंट्रीब्यूशन. कंट्रीब्यूशन इज इक्वल्स टू सेल्स मल्टीप्लाइड बाय पीवी रेशियो. तो 20% जो है 12,96,000 का, इट विल बी 259200. राइट? फिक्स्ड कॉस्ट की वैल्यू भी हमें पता है, आगे हमने फाइंड किया है 280800. राइट? नाउ deducting these values we will get minus 21600 as answer, and deducting these two values 12,96,000 and 25,9200 we will get the variable costs answer, right? क्योंकि आंसर माइनस में आएगा, यहाँ पे हमें पता है कि जो माइनस में आंसर रहता है that is the value of loss. Then the amount of loss will be 21,600 when the sales are 12,96,000. Right, next we have to find out the amount of sales required to earn a profit of rupees 21,600 per half. Required sales are fixed cost plus desired profit divided by PV ratio. Fixed cost we know already in the solution, we have there the amount of fixed cost 280800 plus desired profit itself is the question, it is given is 216,000 divided by PV ratio, it is 20%, hence the answer will be 248,400 for the amount of sales required to earn a profit of 216,000 per half. Here next is 18. Sales and total cost are given. Again we have to find out the contribution of the firm, annual variable and fixed cost, margin of safety, and break-even sales. Right, for that what we have to do, we have first of all we have to find out the PV ratio, which is increase in profit divided by increase in sales into 100, which is $1,200, which is 1,200 divided by 4,000 into 100, it which will be 30% as PV ratio. For the contribution, what we have to do, we have to multiply sales by PV ratio. Sales for both the halves are given in the question, 39,000 and 43,000. Multiplying them by 30%, we will get the 11,700 and 12,900 as answers for contribution for both the halves. Second one is to find out variable cost. To find the variable cost, what we have to do, we have to deduct contribution from sales. The sales value for both the periods are given here, 39,000 and 43,000. Contribution we have found here, 11,700 and 12,900 in the first answer. deducting the values, you will get the answer as 27,331.00. To find the fixed cost, what we have to do, we have to deduct profit from contribution. Contribution key values, yeah, we have got there 11,700 and 12,900. Same profit given in the question, 4,200 and 5,400. Answer will be 7,500 and 7,500 each. Right, remember fixed costs are same throughout the process. Third one is margin of safety. To find out margin of safety, what we will do? Profit divided by PV ratio. Profits in the question are there, 4,200 and 5,400 divided by PV ratio, 30%, 30%, 14,000 and 18,000 respectively are the margin of safety for period 1 and period 2. Then we have to find out break-even sales. Then for that we have the formula sales minus margin of safety. Sales is 39,000 and 43,000 for period 1 and period 2. Margin of safety we have found here 14,000 and 18,000. Putting up these values, we'll get the answer as 25,000 for both the terms. Also, break-even point or break-even sales is same for both the periods or throughout the process. The break-even sales and fixed costs are always same. So if you don't get the same answers for BEP as well as fixed costs for first half and second half of any question, you may know the answer is wrong. The next question is question 19. Mr. X has 2 lakh of investment in his business firm. He wants a 15% return on his money. Right, and from an analysis of recent cost figures, he find that his variable cost of operating is 60% of sales and fixed costs are 80%. That means variable costs are 60% of sales and fixed costs are rupees 80,000 per year.